Hi, this is Scott from Scott Shop Media. Today is Tuesday, July 14th, and this is what is happening on the mountain today. Lots of Caltrans projects going on across the mountain. The ongoing long-term bridge construction project, which will have you down to one lane as you cross the lower bridge below the lower passing lane. That work is expected to be completed by the end of next month. Up here on State Route 173, Caltrans will have you down to one lane at times from the north end to the south end of the 173 in the Lake Arrowhead area as they do maintenance work. Also on State Route 330, Caltrans is doing maintenance work, cleaning out drainages. All of these daily Caltrans projects are supposed to last all week long. And the closures or lane control are from about 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., maybe a little later, a little earlier, but around that time. So use caution and slow for the cone zone. Also over here around State Route 38, they are doing maintenance as well. Weather is going to be nice this week. No watches, no advisories, no warnings. Highs in the mid to upper 70s, maybe even the low 80s, especially Thursday and Friday and into the weekend. So enjoy the cooler weather today and tomorrow before the slight warm up across the mountain. And there is no hazardous fire weather reported in the upcoming week. Speaking of fires, we did have a small fire in the Forest Falls area yesterday, about 1 acre or so. You might still see crews in the area in Forest Falls. You might still see aircraft putting out hot spots, but that was up on the Vivian Creek Trail. And they got a quick knockdown of that fire. A couple power outages to report today. Over here in Twin Peaks, there are 5 customers without power until about 2 o'clock as crews upgrade equipment. And over here in Lake Arrowhead, another 3 customers without power until about 2 o'clock until crews clean that up. COVID-19 updates. Since yesterday, there have been 2 additional cases reported on the mountain. Running Springs still has 12. Rim Forest 1, Crestline 28. Big Bear Lake has 2 new cases, bringing their total to 18. And Big Bear City still remains at 10. Blue Jay has 1 death, and Crestline has 1 death. We'll probably see a slight slowdown in the coming week or two. Over reported cases, the county actually ran out of testing kits. So there probably won't be as many cases being reported. But what we will be paying attention to is this peaking here, this spike of hospital admits. So these are in the last 4 weeks or so a steady rise of the number of patients who are being admitted to hospitals with COVID, being tested positive or having COVID symptoms. The ICU's usage is steadily rising as well. So that is an important criteria to pay attention to. We have currently more people in ICU for COVID than we've had this entire time. And then lastly is we'll pay attention to the ventilator usage. And currently ventilator usage is pretty low. There's still a lot of ventilators available, but you can see up here in the gold, we're still have more COVID patients on ventilators today than we've ever had since this started. So again, this is Scott from Scott Shop Media. Follow along on social media at Scott Shop Media. And this is what is happening on the mountain.